Hello mga kalabada, Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur. Busy ka ba mamayang gabi? Yes, tonight, Friday, August 16, ako po ay mag-go live sa atin pong Laundrypreneur at atin pong pag-uusapan ang may pera sa labada. Para po sa inyo na naghahanap ng knowledge and information about the laundry business in the Philippines, ito na po ang programa na para sa inyo. We will talk about the nitty-gritty of the Philippine laundry business, kung ito po ba ay profitable, kung ito po ba ay may potential, at dapat po ba nating pasukin. And of course, we will equip you with the right knowledge and information on how to set up your own laundry shop. And finally, we'll talk about how much it costs to set up a shop today. I hope to see you later tonight. Mag-register na po kayo sa link na nakikita nyo. See you soon.